Looking for iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaner to buy on Black Friday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, iRobot Roomba 960 Vacuum Cleaner, Robotic, Silver. Works with Alexa for voice control. By iRobot. Number 2, iRobot Roomba 895 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Bronze. The auto-adjust cleaning head adapts its height to keep the multi-surface brushes in close contact with different floor surfaces, directly engaging with both hard floors and carpets. Another great product by iRobot. Number 3, at just 3.6 inches tall, the Roomba Robot Vacuum is designed to clean under beds, sofas, toe kicks, and other hard-to-reach areas. The robot automatically returns to the home base charging station to recharge at the end of a cleaning cycle or when the battery is running low. UK Black Friday deals are now online. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and deals.